Hi guys, welcome back to Engine Echo's channel.
Profil Tom Meents dalam monster truck. Tom Meents adalah salah satu pengemudi monster truck paling terkenal di dunia. Dia lahir di Paxton, Illinois pada tanggal 10 Maret tahun 1967, dan saat ini berusia 56 tahun. Sejak kecil, Tom sudah tertarik dengan dunia otomotif dan mulai mengendarai truk monster pada usia 18 tahun. Tom Meents memulai karirnya sebagai pengemudi monster truck pada tahun 1993 dan sejak itu telah memenangkan banyak kejuaraan dan penghargaan. Ia telah memenangkan 12 kejuaraan dunia Monster Jam, yang menjadikannya sebagai pengemudi monster truck paling sukses dalam sejarah. Tom juga telah mencetak beberapa rekor dunia dalam truk monster, termasuk rekor lompatan terjauh. Selama karirnya, Tom Meents telah mengemudikan banyak truk monster yang berbeda, termasuk Maximum Destruction, El Toro Loco, dan Monster Energy. Dia dikenal karena melakukan trik-trik yang luar biasa, termasuk melompati mobil dan melemparkan truk monster ke udara. Di luar arena monster truck, Tom Meents dikenal sebagai penggemar golf dan menghabiskan waktu bersama keluarganya. Dia juga terlibat dalam banyak kegiatan amal dan mendukung berbagai organisasi yang berjuang untuk kebaikan.
Let's get to know the famous truck driver Tom Meents. Tom Meents is a legendary figure in the world of monster trucks, having won numerous championships and awards throughout his illustrious career. Born on March 10, 1967, in Paxton, Illinois, Tom developed a passion for automobiles at a young age and started driving monster trucks when he was just 18 years old. Since then, Tom has become one of the most accomplished and successful monster truck drivers of all time, winning 12 Monster Jam World Championships and setting several world records in the process. He is known for driving some of the most iconic monster trucks, including Maximum Destruction, El Toro Loco, and Monster Energy. Tom is famous for performing awe-inspiring stunts that leave audiences amazed and entertained, such as jumping over cars and launching his monster truck into the air. His incredible talent and showmanship have earned him a legion of devoted fans all around the world. Outside of his monster truck career, Tom enjoys playing golf and spending time with his family. He is also a philanthropist who supports several charitable causes and organizations that work towards making the world a better place. Overall, Tom Meents is a true inspiration to truck enthusiasts and fans of motorsports everywhere, and his legacy as one of the greatest monster truck drivers of all time will endure for generations to come.
Don't forget to click subscribe, like, share, and comment if you enjoyed this video. Thank you.